Hey, it's Ryan from Ryonet. We're at the MBM show here in Long Beach. Today we're going to do some spot process printing. So we're going to use Separation Studio. We're going to sizzle some ink up and actually print it on press. So first we're going to actually separate using Separation Studio. Separation Studio actually does all the separation work automatically for you, which is very difficult for more screen printers. Separating artwork and dealing with art, choosing the right colors, making sure everything matches and blends together, is probably one of the most frustrating parts of the screen printing process. But what Sep Studio does is it makes the process easy for you. It tells you what mesh screens to use, it tells you the ink that you're going to use, and it separates. As I merge colors, I want to make sure that the image itself isn't changing. And right there, you did not see any image change, but we knocked this down to a 5-color job. So from here, we simply import this into CorelDRAW. We print our films using Accurib. It's a 45-line halftone. We're exposing it on 230 mesh screens. Now, the other great thing about Separation Studio is that it gives you the ink colors to use. So anything that we sep in Sep Studio is colored to match the set of inks that you see left-hand side on the screen here. So over on the press, when we print it, you're going to see an exact color match to what you saw on the software. So keep that image in mind and we'll print it over here. All right, so we've loaded our shirt. We're going to go white underbase, red, gold, green, and then white top. Now, the inks that you see in screens are color matched to be exactly what the software program sees. So with the ViewRight technology, you can actually see what you're going to get on the screen because you're printing with the same color of ink. So we're using Ryonet white for the underbase. Typically we reduce this white down a little bit, but this white has not been reduced. It works okay, it works better reduced down about 5%. So I'm going to have to press this pretty decently. What we're looking for is a solid transfer, all the ink going through the screen. So after 2 passes, we have good ink deposit. There's our white underbase. We'll send that through the flash. And then this ink can actually be pulled or pushed, so we'll demonstrate actually pushing. I prefer to push the ink. I think it gives a little bit better halftone definition, but most of these screens were actually set up to pull, except for the red to demonstrate the push. So we simply flood up, and then we're going to do 2 passes back. So that's the image after you have red on it. Now we're going to do gold, and this one's a pull. So that's the image after gold. Starting to come to life there. We're actually using the ErgoForce squeegees, so they make printing very easily. Got green up in the leaves. And then the white highlight really brings it to life. So this is the last print. And there's our final shirt. Full color artwork, really good detail. We're actually using vector text for the Ryonet. Let's go back over here and match it and make sure we are matched color-wise.
Yeah, because it's a bit more expensive.
And you get what you see on the computer screen. So that's the magic of Separation Studio. If you want to check it out, visit our website, silkscreening.supplies.com. We run specials and we actually package the ink that comes in the what you're going to print with the program. Thank you very much.